with the camera in the truck. We'll see if it's actually going to work or not. Hopefully it will. We are going to get our new truck. About time. So let's get on down the road. We'll see how this works. I'm going to try and film and drive together, but told you drugs gets. It's just vape. I'm joking. I'm not doing drugs. In with the new. Let's change trucks, shall we? Okay, so we got everything out of the inside of the old one. Have a look. The shelves are empty, mattress. Excuse me. Fridge, some trash I gotta take out on a dumpster, all the other bullshit I gotta keep on the dash. Got my big shifter off. Look at the new one. Also, this bad idea right here, you can't tell me for a second I ain't a genius. Look at that right there. Holy. Alright, I hit my head, but I'll be alright. Got everything in here. Got the shifter in here. Got this nice comfy seat. That'll be a nice change of pace. And got my bed, which is not tucked in the way I like it. Alright. And all the bullshit in the shelves, and the microwave in there. Time's actually right, believe it or not. A couple of things I gotta organize, so on and so forth, but yeah, not too shabby. Oh, and I gotta move my my mic. I put it up here. which I'm sure you've seen in other videos, you know. But yeah, we're almost there. We almost got it. I gotta take down this. I gotta put my printer in the side box that's under that side. That's gonna be fun, but whatever. I'll get that done and a couple other things, so we'll be good. All right, we got everything in here. She is, excuse me, good to go. Now, I reckon we're gonna do a little bit of driving back to the hotel, which isn't very far away. I'm gonna do the truck tour itself another day because it's raining here now. Good timing on that, by the way. I finished getting everything in here before it started to rain. So now all I gotta do is go back to the hotel, hang out, and then I'll do the truck tour for you. So the next time I see you, we'll be on a little truck tour. See you soon. I'm in the shop. I'm also soaking wet. That's because my window went down when I went to leave the yard, and it didn't come back up. I've had this truck for 3 hours. They're playing around with a couple different options. The switch is fine. He thinks the regulator's f***ed up. They're gonna try and replace it right now so I can get out of here, but that's where we're at. So good omens. Good omens on the new truck. We'll see how long this one lasts me. I hope, boy do I hope, that it's not an absolute nightmare of electrical problems like my last one was, but it doesn't look like signs are good going forward, so we're gonna find out.
It's an all-in-one privacy app with a built-in search engine.
At least get a little outside view.
One-click data clearing, email protection.
Finally got a color match bumper,
all for free.
so that's cool.
Download the app today and get the most comprehensive privacy protection.
No more fancy depth cover, but that's alright. And then all my bullshit. Alright, quick update. It was a broken wire right in here where the loom goes in between the chassis and the door itself. So all we gotta do now is put the thing back together. Well, the mechanic's doing the work, I'm not. And then yeah, put it back together, call it good, finally get the fuck out of here. You good? That was scary. Hey everybody, it's in post editing Hunter. I'm not lying, there's a computer. See, I'm editing. I want to add a couple things to the video that either didn't have context or didn't finish or didn't film or whatever. So I got everything moved in, except I forgot about my tarp box on the other truck. Thankfully it wasn't going anywhere, so I came back the next day and I got everything out of my tarp box and in there. You'll see when I do the truck tour itself that everything's where it's supposed to be. That happened a day later. My bad. Whatever, we all forget things. Second, the wiring problem. My windows still don't work. It's like well over a week later that I'm getting this all edited and trying to get it out.
Yeah, my windows still don't work. The whole door harness needs to be replaced, and I'm waiting on that to come into St. Cloud, and they're gonna route me back through and get it fixed. But excuse me. That's gonna be it for this one. Stay tuned for the truck tour and some better quality vlogs coming up as I go some cool places, get some cool footage, see some cool things. So cool things coming up. Stay tuned. Y'all be safe out there. Bye bye.